Namaste students. Today it is Saturday. Can you guess here where we are? Yes, of course. Now we are in Sharda Vidya Mandira. Namaste to everyone here. Now let's enter into Sharda Vidya Mandira after many months. Yes, I hope all students are coming inside now, inside the school. Nice to meet you all. Now first of all, this is headmaster chamber. We'll go to here. Now we are going to meet Sri Prakash Gowda. Now of course this is headmaster chamber here. Now we'll move on to the Anand Guruji is doing something over here.
Namaste. Namaste. Namaste.
See, you can see it now here. This is the pavers what you used to walk over here. Yes, all the pots, you can see it here, full green of. See this entire building now here, students. Now so these are the first standard classrooms. I hope you remember well now. Yes, now I am going towards first floor. Yes, science lab. Later I will show the science lab students. These are the second standard classrooms. I hope you remember all this. Yes, this is primary section. Mataji classroom here.
Namaste.
Shanta Kumari Mataji,
Namaste.
Rashmi Mataji,
Namaste.
Chanbasap Guruji,
Namaste.
Anup Guruji,
Namaste.
Nagaraj Guruji,
Namaste.
Pushpa Mataji. Now we will move on to the Vani Mataji. Yes, this is what the library students. I hope you remember. Yes, you used to sit here for many days. Yes, so now let me go to the some fifth standard classrooms. You can observe it here. Malaya, Himalaya. These are the classrooms. I hope you remember, students. Yes, this is fifth standard. See the empty benches. They are all waiting for you only. Yes, the green board. I hope for many months you have not seen it all. Now let me go to the second floor now. I will take to you there itself also. I hope now you can recall all things what you have done. See the second floor now it is. These are the 10th, 9th standard classrooms. So that is also 9th. These are the two 10th standard classrooms here. Yes. Vivekananda and Ramtirtha classrooms. Yes, this is gents staff room, Agastya. You can observe it here. Of course, it is locked now. This is multimedia. It is also, of course, now it is locked because of few people are not here. So this is Atithi Griha here, where I used to sit here. And just from the outside only you can observe here. The books have been kept over here. Now we'll move on to the Prarthana hall now. See, Saraswati, Bharat Mata, Onkar photo. Yes, these are all the things what I hope you people remember here. We used to sit here for the Prarthana. Yes, this is what the amplifier. We used to correct the sound See this entire Prarthana hall. It is waiting for you people only. And I hope students let the situation become normal and we all meet again one more time soon. Okay? Goodbye.